Nana, you know the vibe. We see you looking, you should smell the aroma in the kitchen when she cooking. She the real deal when she make a home cooked meal. She's Nana the saucy chef, she got skills. Nana the saucy chef, she got skills.
Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Nana the Saucy Chef.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making slow cooker garlic butter beef and potatoes. The ingredients that we're going to need today are 2 pounds of beef stew meat, 1 pound of gold baby potatoes. You want to wash them and cut them into half. 1/4 cup of beef broth, 1 onion diced, 6 large garlic cloves minced, 5 sliced tablespoons of butter, 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon of dried thyme, 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, 1 teaspoon of dried parsley flakes, 1 teaspoon of dried rosemary, 1/2 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of ground black pepper. Salt will be at your own discretion. In a small bowl, you want to add all of your dried ingredients. You just want to mix them until they're well combined. Now in your slow cooker, you want to add in your stew meat. Next, we're going to add in our potatoes. Now we're going to add in our onion. You want to add in your minced garlic. Now we're adding in our olive oil and also all of our spices. Now all you want to do is mix everything until it's nicely coated and well combined. Next, we're going to add in our 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce and our 1/4 cup of beef broth. Now you want to take your butter and we're just going to lay that on top. And now you can place your lid over top. Next, we're going to set our slow cooker on high for 6 hours. And we're going to let that go ahead and cook. Okay guys, so our slow cooker, garlic and butter, beef and potatoes are done. I wanted to show you guys how tender the meat is. Falls right apart. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef.